Isabella Thong Wen Xuan. I am 6 years old. I am from Tatika Alpha Bintulu. Today I'm going to make an aeroplane and a fish. I am very excited to show you how I build them. I hope you enjoy it. Now let me tell you the story about the aeroplane and the fish. One day an aeroplane flew high in the sky. A little fish swam happily in the water. The aeroplane says, "Hello, fish." The fish said, "Hello, aeroplane." They smiled and waved. They were happy to be friends. Thank you everyone. I hope you had fun watching. Bye.